Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal, and today I am actually using up a lot of my sample perfumes that was given to me. It was actually an advent calendar, and I'm close to being done with those. So I was looking through my perfume, and it's getting a little bit lower, and I'm so happy about that. I've just been trying to use the same perfume pretty much every day, and I had a lot of sample sizes or little tiny sizes, as you can see in here. But I just thought I'd go ahead and show you what I have left in here, and I'll have the notes of what all these perfumes are also on the side of the screen. So if you're interested in seeing what I actually have for my perfume collection that I'm trying to get used up before I buy any more, just continue on watching. But also, I'm a big project planner, so if you're interested in that, I hope you will consider coming back as well for that. But I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Subscribe if you like videos like this. And I'm just going to go ahead, see, and show you what's in this basket. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to randomly start taking one from the top. And the first one here is this one here. And this is the Viva La Juicy. This is a rose scented perfume. I actually really like this perfume. I haven't used a lot of these perfumes too much, only because, as I said earlier, I use one up at a time for the most part. And just so that I can get use out of all of these before they go bad, or hopefully they don't expire. They just all smell really good still so far. So this is the first one. Again, I'll have the notes for you on the screen, but really nice one. And as I was looking at the notes of all these perfumes, I started to notice that most of these have sort of the same kind of notes. So I really do just like certain kinds of perfumes. Some of these were gifted to me or they came in sets. This one here, I'm not sure where I got this. I think it was a free sample. This one is the Burberry here. And I think this was a gift with purchase or a free birthday gift from Ulta or Sephora. Can't really remember, to be quite honest with you. But so this will be one that I'm going to take out to use really soon, as soon as my sample ones I have are used up. The next one I plan on taking out is this one here. And I lost the top for this. This is really, it's getting a little bit old, so I do need to use this up. So this is what this one looks like. This is the Calvin Klein, and I'll have exactly what is written down because I can't remember the exact name of this, but it is from Calvin Klein. It smells really good. Another one that I want to try to use up really soon. This one here is the Beyonce, and again, I'll have all of it written down. I did do some research into what the exact names were, but I cannot remember. I guess it's the Heat. Beyonce Heat. Well, either way, I'll have it all written down for you, but this one smells really good. This came in a set. I think there was like 4 different ones in this set, and I only have one, looks like 2 left, so I'll show you the other ones. So this is the first one I have in this set. And then the second one looks like this. So this one I think is a little bit stronger. Honestly, I haven't used these too much to even tell you what the differences are. But they are both pretty strong, and I do like more strong scents. So these came in a set. I think there was 2 more, but I might have used those up. This one here is a gift, and this is the Ariana Grande Cloud. I've had this for a while now, and I have used this a time or 2, and it came with a smaller one that I did use up. So I hopefully will use this up. I don't really have plans to use this up right now, but so this is what's left in this one here. And another one that I believe I was gifted 2 sets, or I bought 2 sets. It was around Christmas time when they were having their deals and they were having sales. So this is another one from Ariana Grande, and it looks like this. This is a lighter scent. I will say Ariana Grande, at least these 2 are lighter scents than like the Beyonce ones I just showed you. Those are stronger. So yeah, I mean, really different. This one is a really strong one. This is the last one I have to show you. This is the Victoria's Secret tease. So that's what this looks like. You know, I was in Victoria's Secret not too long ago. Actually, it was a while ago. Honestly, I don't go there in there very often, but I started really remembering some of their scents that they had, some of their perfumes, and honestly, I want to go back and maybe try to get some new perfumes. But to do that, I have to use up all these perfumes that I have right here. But I do have a lot of body sprays and things like that from Victoria's Secret, so I do have a lot, but I really do want to go back and get some of their older they still have some of their older perfumes that they've had from years ago, and I'd really like to try those out again. But yeah, that's my collection of perfumes. So I hope you guys did enjoy just kind of looking back through a lot of I've had these for a very long time, and just little by little, I start to use them up so that eventually I can go ahead and buy new ones. And so, yeah, that's the goal. But yeah, so I'm going to take these two out to eventually start using up really soon. Actually, I'm getting really low on my little samples, like the ones you have in the store. I have one here to show you. Yeah, like these ones here. I have a lot of these little ones I'm trying to work through, but as soon as these are gone, I'm going to take those two out and start using them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you do like videos like this or Project Panning. See you later. Bye.